wax is like a little extra liquidy. Okay. You'll also know if your wax is heated properly by the consistency of it. Whether if it's super liquidy, you know that it's probably too hot. If it's way too thick, you know it's probably too cool. Opposite, right? So I just tested that because right now the wax is a little liquidy. It is on the warmer side, but it's not burning hot. So we're just going to continue on. So we have our wax on the edge of our stick, right? Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drag the spatula across the lip of the can. That way, it wipes off everything that's on the underside of the spatula. Now, before I move away from this, I personally like to turn my stick a few times so it doesn't drip. Now, and go downwards.
Yeah, it looks so easy when Shantae does it.
Now I want you guys to all just take notice of how thin that is applied, because remember what we said, the thinner you apply it, the better results you're going to have. If it's too thick, it's not going to remove the hair the right way. It's going to give you a problem removing it. Now remember, how much of the edge of it do I want to make sure I have left? Right. So now this is a small area. This is a large strip, a little too large for the armory now, but I'm going to apply it, and I'm going to stroke it in a downward motion with the way that I applied the wax. Are you all right over there?
Yeah.
I heard that. So you want to make sure that you run over the whole wax pretty smoothly. Otherwise, you're going to have a very inconsistent removal. There's going to be patches of wax left over. So you want to make sure that you really bond the wax to the strip. So I have a grip on her arm. I'm going to hold it, and I'm going to punch and pull and remove, and I'm just going to apply some pressure. Pressure. Now I waited too long because I was doing a lot of talking, so she does have a lot of wax left over. So I'm going to use a different section. I'm going to remove the rest of the wax.
Hurts, Chris.
And the pressure. So as soon as you pull it, the pressure goes on, but it's a little difficult to try to demonstrate and go slow for you guys. Okay? And then you would continue working on the other areas.
Wow.
When you were completely done with it, you would apply, when you're done with the whole section, you would apply your post-wax cooling gel.